Good afternoon. It is September the 8th, 2017. Time to wrap up the week. Take a look at Monday's trading, and there's no news scheduled for Monday, so all the news stories, the major focus will be Hurricane Irma, which I think comes on shore at 2 a.m. Saturday. And it's going to be a whopper if things continue as they are right now. Hypothetical or simulated performance results may have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representations being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. So, we came into the E-mini this morning hoping to buy 50s to 52s. We had 55. Our first little band of support was right here. We were hoping to buy lower, and support held. We had a 60 to 62 sell, and then a 65 to 67 sell. So our number 2 sell produced a winning trade. Our first area of support produced a winning trade, but it's a pretty quiet session, all things considered, and you have to believe that the hurricane has something to do with that. Looking at the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Looking at the F2 screen, kind of mixed. It's a neutral, well, not a neutral day. It's leaning P right now, just kind of right in the middle of the trading range. So not a lot to be gained here. No news on Monday. So we're selling 62s to 64s, 69s to 71s, buying 55, 57, and 50 to 52. Looking at the 10-year, treasuries were lower today. And again, we played that right. We came in thinking that the high in gold and treasuries probably was set in the Globex session. We do have a higher low and a higher high, telling us to find a spot to buy it. Definitely a B. Volume and time are matched. So here we have resistance 19 to 23, sell 1, 27 to 31, sell 2. On the buy side, 9 to 13, buy 1, 1 to 5, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, it's a high volume number right here. Limit buy leaning against that, which is where the theory says you should put it. Would have gotten you long at 02. And the market managed to rally back up to 14, so that was a pretty nice trade. Resistance 12 to 16s, number 1, 23, 27, actually 19 to 23, sell 1, 27 to 31, sell 2, On the buy side, the buck to 04 is number 1. 25s to 29s by 1. And 13 to 17 by 2. Looking at gold, higher low, higher high. F1 says find a place to buy it. We won't get the same picture off of F2. We'll be looking at a B. So 53, 55, sell 1. 58, 60, sell 2. On the buy side, 48 to 50 by 1. 44, 46 by 2. Crude oil. Supposedly the heavy selling, the crash in crude was caused by an article where China is cracking down on what they call their small refineries that kills the demand for gas. Well, I don't want to say teapot refineries, but something like that. So the Chinese demand, or lack thereof, was behind that big spill in crude. F1, find a place to sell it. Okay, usually crude, when it has a big heavy day of selling like that, the next day is a pause day, so don't be surprised not have follow through selling come Monday and Sunday night. So a little bit lower in London, but not break. Buy 1, 47, 47 and a quarter. Buy 2, 46.50, 46.75. On the sell side, 47.75, 48, and then 48 and a quarter, 48.50, sell 2. I guess the only thing keeping Mario Draghi from pulling his hair out is the fact that it's not his money. It's the European taxpayers' money. Higher low, higher high on F1. F1 says find a place to buy it. F2's a B. Trying to sell, which Mario would like. We're at 36. The low was 21. We had a 25 buy, so buy 1's 25. Buy 2, 120 even. On the sell side, 20.50 sell 1, 20.75 sell 2. And that does it for the September the 8th, 2017. I will see you bright and early Monday morning. You all have a great weekend. May all your football teams win. May the weather cooperate where you live, and have a nice, delightful fall weekend. I'm out of here.